Hey folks, this is your old pal, Uncle Al. It's late at night, close to about 1. I'm going to try to put just this up. So check out these guys right here. Yep, portable food storage system. We're taking a break before I bash more homestead preppers. I really like the guys, but sometimes they make incredible unicorn mistakes and it drives me nuts. Okay, I got a package. The Uncle Al's a survivalist, not a prepper. Prepper, homesteader, back to earther, they all drive me nuts. Now what we got here, put that down. This is the smallest, take a good look, the smallest of the whatchamacallit, instant heaters. This is an immersion heater. You put it in a cup, see that? Cup right there, or a small vessel, and you heat water. This is, you can see that similar to one to this, bigger, on Modern Refugee. I got a small one. Why? Because it's portable. These sizes don't take that much power from a generator or a solar generator or stuff. Fairly easy. It's also one of my tricks. Okay, I always pack several of them. Only I got 2 left. This one and one for the car. So usually I'll have a metal or Pyrex container. I'll use this to heat water, transfer that into a thermos, so I have hot water the rest of the day, and unplug this. Easy, not rocket science. Very simple. Okay? Immersion heater. Take a good look at that. I picked a small one. I used to have a whole bunch of these, and they used to be available at every store I know, but now because of things are going on and the shortages, try to find one. Okay? And that's your tip of the day on immersion heater. Please check out Modern Refugee's video on this. He has a bigger one. And thermometer and anything. Uncle Alan knows this one. I could use it any of the lower 48s. Okay? That's years of traveling, being homeless, living in motels. Okay? Now, I'll catch you later, folks. You have a nice day. I'll see you later. And make sure you watch the Vineyard Chicks. And don't forget about BREA. I keep telling people this, but read the description below. Night, folks.